So welcome back to another day trading. Today I opened around 8,000 shares on Affirm, and it takes only 5 or 6 minutes all the trade. So why I short on Affirm, I will tell you just right now. But before we go to the screen, just make sure to subscribe the channel and also like the button. So as you can see on the screen, we have the AFRM on the left side and TQQ on the right side. We have, so just right here I opened and I shorted on Affirm around 8,000 shares, and I put my TP around 1,100. So that was all. And the point of here, as you can see on the right side on TQQ, because the TQQ was in the pullback, so it's very good time to open a short position, because the TQQ, the trend was in the downside, so it's very good time to open a short position on Affirm. So that's why I opened this position. So now you know why I shorted on Affirm. So today was also very actually very important. So they have so we have a lot of news actually in this week. It was very heavy, so when you open a position, just make sure before and check all the index. It can be DXY, it can be TQQ, it can be Nasdaq. All this index is very important. Before you open a position, just check these items. And of course the news was very important. Otherwise, so when you don't know about the market direction, so it's very hard to open a position. Of course you can take money and also open a position on the trend, but it's not making sense actually. The most of the time you will lose it, so that's very important. So I was also lost in Affirm around 1 or 200, so I just keep that position. But hopefully the market was very good, and I guess very well. So this takes a little time. You can see I just changed the time frame from 5 minutes to 1 minute, so you can always check and change the time frame from 1 minute to 5 minutes, and also from half an hour for maybe for 1 hour. So it's very important to check all the direction. So the TQQ is still coming down, and I was also already, I'm in around 100 in the profit, so I just wait to hit the target. So that's when you open a position, just don't touch it. Just put your TP in the one place, as you know, and don't touch it, because it's many times happen when you open a position, you just put and change your TP or stop loss. So that's not working actually. So just wait, and even you go to the loss, so just wait to hit the target. So, and yeah, you can see the market was very slow, the time. So when I open this position, it's around 5 o'clock in the Europe. So yeah, it's almost 2 hours after the market opening. So TQQ is still coming down, and don't put yourself in position when you can't handle it. So it's very important. And but sometimes when you open a position, and so you should also think why I open this position, and where should I close it, and when I should come to the position. So that's very important. Otherwise the experience says and shows you will lose on that position. So it's very important to wait it to and enter in the good time and in the good position and good perfect time. So that's very important. So you can see I'm already in the profit around 480. TQQ is still trying to and test that size. You can see on the right side TQQ. So the TQQ is on 5 minute time frame, guys, and Affirm in 1 minute. So I just waited. I in around 600. You have to be patient actually. It could not happen very fast. Sometimes it could, but you need to be just waited for many minutes or hours to hit the target. So you can see the TQQ is still trying to make a new lower. So Affirm, you can see, is coming strong actually. So yeah, and I put my TP around 10.63. And just in case, I just says the fee for this position, I paid only $58 for this position, the fee, and spread the fee, all of them is cost for me $58, and I earned around 1,100. So the Colmexpro is good. So just here I just came out from this position and the market hit my target very well. So that was all. And if you want to also use the Colmexpro, which I use, this platform is very good for a stock, so you can also use it. Just go to the description and then click on the link, and then you go direct to the sign up page, and then you can sign up, and then you get 1 month's free fee, and then you don't need to pay any spread to the broker. So just try to use Colmex Pro, because the Colmex Pro is give you also option, so 5-time leverage, which you can trade more. And yes, so Colmex Pro is best for trade in the stock because you don't pay extra fee to the broker. The Colmex Pro is best for trade. So that was all. Thank you for watching, and of course just make sure to subscribe the channel if you want to see all of the video about the trade and how you can trade on the stock, crypto, and also Forex. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.